from the abusive family.
Right.
It's okay, Fido. That's his rabies shots. Aww. You have to get him licensed. We didn't get that yet. So they took a picture of him at housing because you have to show pictures.
Right. In case you get lost.
Aww.
So y'all gonna take care of
Everything about that man.
I'm
And when we got him, his toenails were that long. The lady did not cut him. We had him cut and neutered and shots and.
Right, you hear that
So
sound.
what do I have to do to get them?
Huh?
What do I have to do to get them?
You
Take
gotta
them to housing?
Yeah.
Are you a trainer?
You'll need $250.
Why is he was abused?
He's abused.
By somebody?
No, it's a chihuahua, but it was
It's not.
abused.
It was abused.
She said
by
Chihuahua.
someone? Well, I don't know.
She trying to find out if she